In this Motor Rentals video tutorial, we're going to be covering some of the applications that our compaction equipment can be used for, some operating tips, and how to conduct a simple pre-operation checklist. If you didn't know, properly compacted level ground is essential for nearly all construction tasks. And here at Warner Rentals, we only offer compaction equipment that provides great performance and easy handling.
Generally, for compacting small areas of ground, we have two choices in compactors. We have the rammers and the plate compactor. Rammers, also known as jumping jacks, are very useful for working in confined areas. Rammers deliver high impact force, making them an excellent choice for cohesive and semi-cohesive soil. They also deliver between 500 and 750 hits per minute. Our plate compactors, also known as Tampers, come in various sizes, depending on the area and the ground you're working on.
Our vibratory plates can compact all common types of ground with the highest level of quality. However, the equipment should not be used on already hard surfaces, as you can cause unnecessary wear to the machine. Single direction tampers are predominantly used in smaller areas and jobs, whilst our reversible vibratory plates are suitable for larger construction applications. Single direction tamper operation. First, ensure that the handle is facing the right way up. Next, check your fuel and refill if needed. Place the engine switch to on and also the fuel valve lever. If starting a cold engine, you will need to place the lever into the choked position and switch over once started. Now you can pull the recoil starter rope. These are designed for use in a variety of applications such as general construction, landscaping, utilities, plumbing, and paving. They're the smallest in our fleet, making them lightweight and highly maneuverable. They are ideal for narrow and confined small areas. These units are sturdy, reliable, and perfectly suited for path and road construction or landscaping needs. These reversible plates are ideal for the compaction of paths, trenches, and landscape applications. They come with a unique integrated wheel set that provides easy one-person movement around your job. These units offer compaction of various types of soil. The reversible plate provides optimum performance with a variable forward and reverse speed. The largest plate tamper in our fleet with a reversible plate for the toughest compaction jobs. This unit offers the best compaction for various types of soil. If you're building roads, then we have larger compaction equipment that's available to you. That's all dependent on your compaction specifications, which our rental experts will be happy to talk you through and recommend the right piece of equipment for your job. Thanks for watching.